Here's problem 3 with our equation. We want to figure out the horizontal asymptotes. Remember, those are asymptotes that go across this way horizontally. Those are always going to be y equals. And we want to figure out the vertical, that's up and down. That's always going to be x equals. And let's see if they have any. Well, for the horizontal, remember for horizontal we have that expression, Bobo Botten, that's an N, eats DC. And that helps, just sort of a little mnemonic device to help us figure this out. B-O-B-O, Bobo, stands for bigger on bottom. If so, we're going to have y is equal to 0. Bigger on the top, there'll be no horizontal asymptote. Exponents are the same. We divide the coefficients. So let's look at this guy. This guy's degree is 1. This guy's degree is 4. So in this case, it's bigger on the top. That exponent up there is bigger on the top. So in this case, there's no horizontal asymptote. We're not going to have any lines going across like that, limiting, breaking up our graphs with a line coming in and approaching it on either side of it. Okay, we're not going to have that in this situation. So we know we don't have any, none. Vertical. For vertical, all we ever do is we're looking at the bottom where that would create a 0, where we're going to have trouble. In this case, if x is 0 itself, we're going to have trouble. So the vertical in this case is going to be, we're going to have to draw a line at x being 0 saying, hey, don't touch this, because if you do get 0, we're going to have a problem because you can't divide by 0. You can't put things in groups of nothing. It makes no sense. So if we were graphing this, we know, here's our graph, we're going to have to draw a line at x equaling 0, which means it's going to be an asymptote right down here on the y-axis. And the line, we're not going to worry about that, what it's going to do on this side or that side, but we know it's going to probably approach this guy on both sides, but we're not worried about that. I'm just looking for, hey, where's the horizontal asymptote and where's the vertical? Horizontal, we use Bobo Botten eats DC. Vertical, we simply look at the bottom and figure out, hey, solving that, making sure it can't be 0, and we set it equal to whatever value we come out with. There's problem 3.